Hello, today we're going to show you how to adjust door hinges. Looking at these two units, you can see that at the top it's very close, and at the bottom there's a big gap. These doors are out of line and all it needs is a little bit of hinge adjustment. Hinges have three different variables on them. This element here can be moved up and down by 3 millimeters. This moves the door in and out, and this moves the door back to front. Now, what I need to do here is move this part of the door back and this part of the door forward, but you can also see I need to move the door up so that it is level. We need to move the door up, which means this hinge needs to go this way. Slacken off the screw and the one at the top. And then move the door slightly up. Then tighten the screw. This isn't quite level, but if we move the door backwards at the top by using this screw, we try again. We've got a pretty close alignment. The gap's a little bit too wide, so we just need to move this screw yet again, just by a couple of turns, and the top one by a couple of turns. There we are, all done.